Good evening, students. How are you all? I hope you're all well and fine at home. Yes. So, in the process, now there's a situation of COVID is going on. I hope you all are taking online studies seriously. Yes, you're studying well at home. So, we are discussing chapter number 7, air. In the previous video 1, we have completed up to the composition of air and the composition of air and the layers of atmosphere. I hope you all must have gone through the video and drawn the diagrams. So now today we are going to complete the next part of the chapter. Okay, so let's start. Breathing and burning. But before that, beta, I just want to say that I hope all of you are completing your work. Now once this chapter will be completing, I will be asking each and everyone to send me the PDF of the work that you have done. Many students are not doing the work, I know this also. Many students are doing, that is well. But some of the students are not responding well, they are not doing the work also. So from now onwards, I will, all the details I will send you on WhatsApp. But after that, I will be asking you every chapter PDF I want. From every, हर एक chapter की आप मुझे PDF का written work, like I am sending the exercise PDF ना, you will be sending me an access all the work of each and every chapter one by one on my personal WhatsApp number. I will be sharing the details in the WhatsApp also कि मुझे किस दिन किस chapter की चाहिए. But before that, I am telling you, if students you have not started yet any work, so before that I am calling, I have to call you and say that please complete your work. Better you start completing your work on time. Up to chapter 7, after chapter 7, I will be asking your PDF of every chapter, that 1 to 7. हर एक चैप्टर की आप मुझे PDF बना के देंगे. The work you will show me कि आपने question answers, give reason, naming, whether you all are doing in your notebook or not. So better start taking this online study seriously and prepare well. Okay? Now we are moving forward to breathing and burning. Air plays a major role in breathing and burning. Let us understand the process of both. What is breathing and what is burning? Process of breathing. When we inhale, the oxygen-rich air reaches our lungs through nostrils. When we inhale, how does the air goes inside? Through the nostrils. We take the air in. From the lungs, the blood takes the oxygen-rich air and carries it to the all parts of the body. And from the lungs, we take in air. The air goes to the lungs, and from the blood, oxygen-rich air is carried to the all parts of the body. And from the blood, because blood is flowing all through the body parts, so from the blood, the oxygen-rich air. Oxygen-rich air means air जिसमें ऑक्सीजन मिली हुई है, वो हमारी सारी बॉडी पार्ट्स में जाती है. The oxygen is used to burn the food components. And what is the use of it? Whatever food components we are taking in, oxygen used to burn the food components. This release energy and carbon dioxide. What happens? This release energy in our body and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is carried back to the lungs by the blood. जो carbon dioxide release होती है वो lungs दोबारा blood में वापस लाता है. This carbon dioxide is released from the body when we exhale. तो हम carbon dioxide तो लेते नहीं है. So when we inhale the air, oxygen reaches, and whatever air we are given in exhale जो हम बाहर निकालते हैं, that is carbon dioxide. Thus exhaled air contains more carbon dioxide. Exhaled air जो हम बाहर निकालते हैं, the waste, that is the waste air that is being released, that contains more carbon dioxide. I hope the process of breathing is completed and you all have understood that we are taking air in through our nostrils and the oxygen is used to burn the food components, and when we exhale the exhaled air contains carbon dioxide. Okay. Now we move forward to the process of burning. Oxygen present in the air is required for anything to burn. Anything that we have to burn, oxygen is very necessary. When we invert a glass over a burning candle, the flame goes out after a while. जब हमने कोई कैंडल रखी, जलाई हुई कैंडल है, कैंडल इज बर्निंग, और उसके ऊपर हम एक खाली ग्लास से बंद कर दें, द फ्लेम विल गो, कैंडल बुझ जाएगी. क्यों? वाई द कैंडल विल एक्सटिंग्विश? बिकॉज ऑफ द लैक ऑफ एयर. उसको एयर नहीं मिली. It is because covering the candle cuts off the supply of air, because the burning candle has cut off the supply of air. Thus air is necessary for the process of burning. This experiment shows. See, आपने शो करा, पहले कैंडल को हमने जलाया, फिर उस पर हमने क्या करा, कवर करा उसको ग्लास से, एंड देन वी कैन सी व्हेन वी हैव कवर्ड द कैंडल हैज फाइनली ब्लोन ऑफ. दिस process shows that air is necessary for burning. Now we are moving to another part. Now we have discussed about two terms, breathing and burning. I think it is clear. Now we are moving to the next part of the chapter, that is air pollution. What is air pollution? जो air को गंदा करे, that is known as air pollution. There are many unwanted and harmful substances that make the air unfit for breathing. Some harmful chemicals are there that are released into the air, and because of that that air is not fit for us to breathe. It is unfit for breathing, and that unfit air is known as air pollution. Why? Because of the smoke from the vehicles. जो vehicles से smoke निकलती है, because from the smoke from the factories, चिमनी से, ट्रक्स वगैरह से जो harmful gases release होती है, that makes the air unfit for breathing. They are called as pollutants. What are pollutants? जो air को गंदा करते हैं. The substance that causes pollution are known as pollutants. Mixing of pollutants in air is called air pollution. Some causes of air pollution are given. What are the causes? Air pollution होता क्यों है? Just a second बेटा. What are the causes of air pollution? Yes. Okay. Smoke from the factories and industries. Factories and industries जो smoke निकलता है. Smokes and ash from forest fires and volcanic eruptions. सब कभी कभार हमें सुनने में आता है जंगलों में अचानक से आग लग जाती है. Volcanic eruptions are there. So that smoke and ash coming out from there. Bursting of wood, burning of wood, coal and plastic. When we are burning the garbage and all that is black ash, that is smoke that is being released in the atmosphere. Bursting of crackers when crackers are being burned. Open garbage dumping. Germs due to spitting, coughing, sneezing, as well as open garbage dumping. जो हम कूड़ा इधर उधर फेंक देते हैं, and when we burn that garbage also releases what? That garbage releases the smoke, and that is very harmful for us. Okay, so these are the causes of air pollution. Now how we can prevent? अब causes हैं, so we have to prevent also. So what are the prevention? We are dependent on air around us to breathe and stay alive. If we breathe polluted air, we may suffer from allergies. अगर हम polluted air अंदर ले लेंगे, then we can our body will not accept it, and we can suffer from various allergies also. Headaches, we can fear headaches, allergies, and other diseases related to the respiratory system. Many other respiratory system diseases we can have, like bronchitis is there. Asthma patients does not have to go out where the air is not clean. Below are the some ways to prevent air pollution and to make our environment clean. So below are some ways also. How? Use smokeless chulhas. We have to smokeless chulha. आजकल जो चूल्हा जैसे that are being used in the villages. So we can use smokeless chulha that does not produce smoke. Solar cookers are there. LPG we are already using. Biogas instead of fossil fuels for burning. कोल और इनकी जगह हम fossil fuels ना use करें. That is will be better for prevention of air pollution. LPG, that is referred as liquefied. What is the full form of LPG? Liquefied petroleum gas. Okay. CNG, full form of CNG, compressed natural gas. Now automobiles are being used. Instead of diesel and petrol, we should use CNG because diesel and petrol causes more pollution. Use unleaded petrol in vehicles. Plant more trees. We are one of the best example is to plant more and more trees, because when we are planting trees, plant will purify the air and it will release more oxygen. Save electricity by turning off lights, computers and other electrical appliances when not in use. We have to save electricity also. Why not? When we are not using the other electrical appliances, we should not switch it on. Use public transport. Nowadays, every member of the family is having his own vehicle. If one family is here, we are using one motorbike also, one is Activa also, one car also. So too many vehicles are being used by every family. So it is better to use public transport. Public transport will be there, so it will reduce, it will cause less pollution. If everyone is using his own personal vehicle, already there are so many vehicles are there, they will cause more pollution. Walk or use bicycle for shorter distance. When we are going for shorter distance, avoid to use cars and all. We should walk, and we can use bicycle also. Do not burn garbage. Garbage should not be burnt because it causes lot of pollution. Switch off the vehicle's engine at red light. Whenever there is red light at the traffic signal, we should switch off the vehicle's engine to save the fuel also and to reduce the pollution also. Okay, so with this our chapter air is also be completed. Now we are discussing the keywords. Keywords you have to note down in your copy. Pollutants, the harmful substance that causes pollution. Contamination, making something impure, something किसी चीज़ को गंदा करना. Air pollution, impure air due to addition of pollutants. Exhalation, giving out carbon dioxide rich air during breathing. जो हम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो एयर बाहर निकालते हैं ब्रीथिंग के समय. Inflate, to make something increase in size in air, यानी किसी के अंदर हवा भरना, उसका साइज बड़ा करना, like for example balloon. So with this our chapter number 7 is also being completed. So now I have already told you, get ready with all your work. I will be asking the PDF of every chapter. Okay, so now I will be, after this video, if any doubt you can also ask me personally, and in the next then I will be sharing the PDF of chapter number 7 also. Till then, complete your work, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.